Say like Gen Z invented brain rot. It's actually Indians this long time ago have been doing time pass. It's such a beautiful feeling.
People can earn money by doing time pass as well.
I'm jealous. Hi guys,
Hello,
I'm Pallavi.
I'm Ayati.
And welcome to We're Just Saying. If you've noticed, this girl has made me dress up like her twin sister today.
Very
Nice.
influenced by sibling episode. So
Yeah.
we're like,
Why
Ta-da!
not just become each other's siblings? Because if you still haven't watched it, it's there.
okay.
Anyway, thanks for having me over, Pallavi, for such a nice chai party and some. She's made
I've made
base,
Sheila, guys.
besan chila. How sweet of her. But what is our plan today? I think
Just time pass and chill.
Time
Also made
pass.
Gwen
and
Gwen.
study
and also Bobby.
and
That is just sad octopus. That's why.
yeah.
These people chill with me when I'm
Yeah.
just cozy in my bed, watching some telly and doing some time pass.
Yeah, I mean, we're not getting any guests for the podcast, so
These are our guests.
Yeah.
Gwen and Bobby.
yeah.
And Sari.
Welcome to our sleepover.
Ta-da!
Anyway, time pass. Do you guys like time pass? I love time pass.
Oh, me too. Isn't this a time pass?
It is the best time pass ever. I think this whole podcast is a time pass. Really, don't you think?
I do.
Yeah.
And just to time pass, you guys can watch this pod.
Yeah,
don't know if
and
that
the
made
whole
any sense.
series of
Hmm.
all our blabbering. But I love time pass because they say like Gen Z invented brain rot. It's actually Indians who since long time ago, have been doing time pass. It's such a beautiful feeling. Time just passes and you make a word out of it. Like
Wow.
Italians have dolce far niente, which says like, the sweetness of doing nothing. Indians have time pass.
Oh my god. She has a book written on it, I guess. And
Yeah.
when did you learn Italian?
Good question.
Your definition of time pass.
Yeah.
What is the best thing that you'd like to do when you do time pass? Or like what is time pass for you? Apart from the definition. Like dolocho loche, whatever
Yeah.
you said.
I think my favorite time pass is like staring out of the window or staring at a wall. And
I
just
hope nobody else is standing there and doing some time pass.
no one should be staring
Because
back at
that
me.
is a window.
Yeah. But actually my favorite time pass is actually so many times I said actually, but my favorite time pass is pretending I'm being interviewed by an interviewer and answering the questions.
Oh, you're so weird.
So I'm the interviewer and I'm also the person who's being interviewed, and I'll have full on conversation with myself.
Is it like the one we stand near the mirror and we do it?
I don't even need to be standing at the mirror. I'll just sit on a sofa. I'll be in the shower. See, I was born for this. I was born for this podcast life,
To do time
Time
pass.
But that's
Oh,
my
God.
favorite time pass. What's your favorite time pass?
See, honestly, me probably staring at the fan.
Oh, that's
the
a good
ceiling
one.
fan, which is like,
Going,
and then you're just looking at it. Yeah, like that. Or else I'll just binge watch series. That's the best time pass that I can do. I'll be in my couch,
Yeah.
have chai,
Yeah.
and
Oh my God.
just sit and keep watching. Recently my obsession is with The Summer I Turned Pretty, and oh my god, I'm obsessed over the guy Conrad, whose name is Chris, and I just want to marry somebody like him. Thank you.
Clearly, a lot of time has been passed on this series of yours.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm just binge watching that.
Yeah.
I think I like, the romantic series, like cozy romantic stuff.
I know you watch a lot of reality TV shows.
Oh, I
And
watch Love Island.
that is class A time pass, right?
Class A time pass. So you know Love Island, right?
I do, but do our viewers know?
So basically, Love Island is a reality show here in the UK. For our Indian audience, I'll give you context. It's like Big Boss and Splitsvilla updated and a grand version.
So basically, two big time pass shows fused
Yes.
into one big
Together.
time pass.
Yes, absolutely. So love Love Island. And yeah, these kind of series that I binge watch
I
and
think
last.
reality TV is like one of the best time
Hmm.
pass things. I
Yeah.
mean, my favorite time pass show, like no one's gonna believe this because everyone thinks I'm like watching all serious stuff and everything. No,
Watching murder documentaries all the time. She's lying.
no. But my favorite time pass show is actually Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives on
Oh
Netflix.
my god, that
I don't
she.
know why I like that show. I guess I started watching it when I was having a very dark time and I was like, wow, this is so brainless. This
This is
is
so
this
brainless.
is like fast food but for your brain, like it feels good. It
Mm,
doesn't add any value to your life, but it's good. So you
mm,
watch it. It's proper time pass.
mm. I watched that Bastards of Bollywood.
Yeah.
Oh, that is also good time pass. Okay,
Yeah.
Aryan Khan has done crazy work.
Hmm.
Hmm.
But that's the thing. Some people think time pass is a bad word. I don't think it's a bad word.
That is therapy, bro.
Yeah.
Time pass is therapy. What are you even saying?
Time pass is luxury, right? Like you
Mm.
need to have time to be
To
able to
pass.
pass it. And if I'm spending my time on something and doing time pass with that, that means I'm like actually taking
Yeah.
it pretty seriously.
Yeah.
But that's what I love about time pass. That time pass is an adjective that you can describe
Hmm.
something as time pass. But you can also describe people as time pass. Do you know that?
Isn't that crazy that we call people as time? Well, wait, question.
Hmm.
I know a lot of people who have different definition of time pass.
Okay.
What's your time pass definition?
For
When you for
people,
people, yeah.
for people, it will be like someone say I meet like an acquaintance or someone and I can probably have a really good conversation with them at max like 10 minutes. And I mean, they're not friends, but they're not strangers. So they're
Hmm.
like time pass to me. Like I'll just meet
Oh my
them,
god.
have good conversations for 10 minutes. Bye bye. That's a time pass person.
Ta-da!
Yeah. I
Never
mean,
see you ever.
they have done time pass with me. I've done time pass with them. It's a proper give and take. Paise
Time pass
vasool.
relationship. This is my
Yeah.
time pass friend.
What do you think is a time pass person?
I think I have a very different definition than you. I feel like somebody's time pass, that means they are just ridiculous. They're not adding any value to my life. They're like just time pass. And I wouldn't even like to engage and like talk to them.
Still fine. I have seen people date people, be in full on relationships,
Calling
and
them time pass.
and call their partners time pass. I'm like, are you mad?
ये क्या है कुछ नहीं सीरियस नहीं टाइम पास है
Yeah, that's so degrading, but whatever, I
no I
guess.
think people like being called that as well
Really?
yeah like we are not serious, consider that there is somebody just hooking up and then you'd be
Yeah.
like I don't know, they would like being
Hmm.
a time pass.
Makes sense. Do you guys like being someone's
I
time
don't
pass?
think I would enjoy that. What do you guys think?
Even I wouldn't. So
Hmm.
anyway,
So also guys, do you know Ayati has a channel, okay, of her own on YouTube, and she has spoken about time pass things like a series and stuff for I think 1 hour 35 minutes.
no, she's
And
exaggerating. It's
and you
30
guys
minutes.
need to go and watch that.
Okay, we'll
That
link
is
the
hilarious,
we'll
and I'm
link
gonna
it.
link it there.
Link it. Yeah, they're really good shows too. So you should binge watch them.
Oh my god! But
But
you know,
anyway,
people can
have-
earn money by doing time pass as well.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous.
That was instant.
Yeah. I mean, that's the most beautiful life, right? Earning money from
Yeah.
time pass. How?
That I don't know.
Oh, I thought you know. But anyway,
Hmm.
have you seen like your colleagues do time pass or like I have seen a few at my like ex workplace and what? Come
yeah,
on.
my ex workplace as well. Yeah,
Number one thing is like when I used to work in the kitchen like as a chef, there used to be people who would do so much time pass, and especially that's the place where there's always work.
Hmm.
And then they would still find creative ways of doing time pass. They will like keep walking fast from one place to another, looking so busy and everything, but they'll not really do any work, and they're just doing really good quality time pass.
So when you're like working in that restaurants or like
Yeah.
any fast-paced environment, to extend their shift at least like here, what
Oh,
they do
yeah.
is they work when you have a closing shift. All the international students would agree to this.
Mhm.
I'm pretty sure. If you're working in a cafe or in
Yeah.
a restaurant which closes around I don't know 12 or something, bro, the closing shift
Hmm.
is big time pass. They'll do pot washing,
Yeah.
which takes 5 minutes.
Yeah.
They'll make it 50
Yeah.
because every hour is counted with like 10.12 pounds, right?
Yeah.
So that they do
Yeah.
arams. They'll put music and all, full
Yeah.
time pass, and then they're
Yeah.
doing full pot wash, earning money only.
Now you know why your food is coming late. बेचारा
Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट वाला बैठा है उधर, मेरा बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है, ये बच्चे लोग
बच्चे लोग
Full
pot wash
late,
कर रहे हैं
late.
आराम. You know the corporate time pass terms? Okay. So these are 3 rules that you should do if you're in a corporate. You need to walk fast
Hmm.
so people can see that you're walking, you're really busy
Okay.
and you're walking. You need to reach somewhere.
Yeah.
Second, you need to look busy. Be like, even
Don't
though
type
somebody's-
slowly.
Yeah.
Type
just be like that.
ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
And as soon as you see somebody's coming to you and like they would want to start a conversation, and then they say, "Hey, you still be busy," and after 3 seconds you need to respond and say, "Oh, hey, sorry, man, I was
Yeah.
just too busy."
And have all many tabs open on your
yeah,
screen.
as
So you,
many as you can,
yeah.
and that's the key to success in a corporate world. Seriously, people do that. And also, when I used to work in that Popeyes part time, I used to see people creating things, bro. They used to burn fries, bro, because the timer used to be for like just 1 minute when you're making fries. And just to do time pass, they will lower the temperature
Yeah.
and then they will make it
Oh
4
my
minutes.
god.
And it, according to the rules, as I'm from technical, it's not allowed, honestly, to do that. But then
Now
they'll
I
do
know
that.
why I get burnt or soggy fries. It's just
It's people doing time pass.
people doing
inside.
time pass. But it's also like, you know, you could do time pass in like school and uni as well. Like you would sit down and then like if say someone is like a teacher or professor is teaching you, you would just like pretend to write and like doodle and stuff.
Oh, well, I have done that.
I know.
I think we all have done that, haven't we?
I haven't.
Oh, yeah, she was a good kid.
Yeah. But the time pass I used to do is I used to look out of the window, pretend I'm thinking, but I'm actually just looking at cars going by.
It's such a beautiful thing.
Yeah, but it's so underrated. Like, I wish we could just like meet as friends and do time pass, you know? Like, lately it's all become so like, oh, let's do painting. I mean, that's me only, but
I
yeah.
hate those people. Like, no, not hate, but I don't like those
hates
people, you know, who call for like, okay, let's do some time pass and let's do some time pass. And then you come and they be like, okay, let's do painting. Or, okay, let's do some creative activity. Isn't that a time pass? No, it is not. Whoever it is, you know, Ayati. So,
Yeah, Pallavi, you should also, I mean, not you, I mean, people should call other friends home and like expect to do time pass and not make a podcast out of it.
but it is a time pass, right?
It is a time pass. So it's painting.
Painting it is, bro. These people know they need help. People like Ayati.
Yeah.
She's productive all the goddamn time. She'll try to do time pass, yet she will somehow do something productive. I don't know how.
Yeah.
And total opposite me, I'll try to do something productive, but it will turn into a time pass.
That's true.
I don't know how that happens.
So true. I've never thought about that before, but yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And also, do you guys know we were gonna make our we were gonna drop the mic. Do you guys know? Top secret. We were gonna name our podcast as Time Pass Express.
Oh, yes. So basically, like, you know, we shoot a lot of our videos on the train, so express, and because we were like, we're just gonna be talking like time pass, so it's time pass express. So we actually still, it's our inside thing, but we still call it as
Time Pass Express. Our group's name is Time,
time
Pass,
pass
Express.
express. So we're the queens of time pass, and you guys are the best consumers of time pass.
Yeah.
So-
and we love you, I
Yeah.
guess.
Yeah. So
I think we should end this time pass now. Enough of it. And we should have some food
yeah.
that I've made.
I mean,
and
if you
gone cold.
guys are interested in playing a drinking game, restart this video, and every time we say time pass, just take a shot.
Oh, they're gonna get drunk tonight.
Well, your time will pass very
Yes.
well.
And we will see them with the next time pass video.
Thank you.
Love you.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe, please. Subscribe.
Bye.
Done, yeah. This was a good time.